Why do I tell this story? Because I want those of you who are married, those of you who inshallah will be married, I want you to wake up. I want you to wake up to the ni'mah that is right there beside you. The fact that another person has agreed to share their life with you, to build a life with you, to tolerate your nonsense, to make excuses for you, to love you in spite of your craziness, this is something to say alhamdulillah for. Anyone in this room perfect? Any perfect people in this room? Who's imperfect then? Who's imperfect? Why are people scared to raise their hand? Everybody is imperfect. That's how Allah created us. So if you find someone who's willing to walk this journey of life with you in spite of your humanness, this is something to say alhamdulillah.